There is an adult meeting and the children seem to be having a lot of fun together by their own. I'm trying not to disturb them. Hi Connor.
Hi.
Have you been gardening before?
I've been doing a little bit of gardening in my volunteer
Yes?
journey, yeah.
Did you volunteer a lot?
Yeah, for the last 2 years.
Oh wow.
I've been traveling around volunteering.
Where to? Where have you been?
Portugal, mostly.
Wonderful.
Spain, Hungary, now Turkey.
And are you enjoying your time here?
Yeah, Turkey's an amazing place, and this place is really nice too.
Are you ready for the wake and shake, guys? Alright, everybody stand up. We're gonna do the wake and shake. Aren't you glad? Aren't you glad? Aren't you glad? Not yet. With me, let's wake and shake. Now, shake it. Up. Aren't you glad? Aren't you glad? With me, let's wake and shake. Yeah! Up. Ain't you glad? Now he let's wake and shake. Ain't you glad? Ain't you glad? With my scrambled eggs.
We have a circle of different kind of games. I'm going to explain you. We're going to put the tail in the donkey. We have here a donkey, we have points.
I don't like that.
We blindfold you, blow it.
I the next one.
Very good. You do it good because you blow from under. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Yes. Yes! Wow! Very concentrated. Like this. Yes.
Yes, I make it very beautiful big for you. It's gonna burst turn. We don't jump. Let it be concentration. Give it a space. You go. Woo!
Now I win.
Woo! One more time. Almost. You got them all.
It's gonna take it easy.
We have the time. We can all get back.
Ready?
We're going to wait. Put your hands behind your back.
Run it! Do it like that.
Okay, hands back, hands back.
You like the cookie? Yes, you like it. It's from Holland. We bring it from Holland.
Ah.
Over, my love.
No one could find
Deja la galletas. I tell you when we go up. We go up now.
Brendan! Are you here? Get yourself ready.
Who's there? I think he plug under. It looks like it's metal.
wacht voor het. Hey.
Whoa!